All right, good morning. Good morning. Nasty NASDAQ. What are you doing here? All right, this is nasty NASDAQ. Looks like we're in an overnight range here that we finally broke out of. And now we're in a tight ascending channel. All right, let's take a look at pivot points on nasty NASDAQ. Pivot point up at 733 for P. There we go, 733. $363. This one's fine. And where's R1? 945. R1 is 945. All right, cool. All right, so 6:38 p.m. This is overnight low. There we go. All right, I think we're set up here. Here we go. Overnight high is right there. We got the previous day close, previous day low. And where's this high up here? That was that high that I shorted yesterday, right there. That was yesterday's high around 890. All right, I think we're good to go. Oh no, I moved that 4-hour level. Let me get rid of this. All right, nasty NASDAQ, let's go. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. Sunil, good morning. Dividend Kate, good morning. Zach, good morning. All right. think we got the pivot points. We got some of these levels ready to go. Which way will she go? Looking like NQ wants pullback here. Coming to 594. All right, I think we're ready to go here. Casino opens in 1 minute. Let's go. Yusuf, what's going on? Sunil watching to upside 627 and 667. All right, casino is going to open in 10 seconds. Good luck. And here we go. Something about the open now. My quant tower lags. That's good. It keeps me out of the trade for at least a minute. But right now I'm lagging. Gleben, good morning, JC. Best of luck to you as well, Gleb. Appreciate you. All right, my chart is lagging on the open. All right, here we go. Now we're back in. Maybe a push to. Slow open for NQ. Let's bring in that 15-minute opening range. It's coming down hard. Courtney, what's up? Good to see you. Zen Trader, good morning, sir. Ended up with P&L, $2,000 for your first day. Nicely done, man. If you messed up the consistency, it just means you got to trade a little more. That's all. Make a little more profit. All right, going to try a tight long here. All right, there we go. I'm going to trail it. Needs to push up quickly. Trailing it, trailing it. Looking for a big bounce here. No bounce. And I think I'll just grab some green for now. Got some green for now. Pushing that up a little bit. This is NQ, yes. So it's rubber banding here. Still no push and no pullback. So grabbed a quick little scalp along there. For about 10 points. And coming back down. Looks like it wants VWAP. Where is VWAP? 473. Peter Chan, good morning, sir. Yes, sir. All right, let's see what happens here. We're at JEX 1, JEX 3 level right now. Looking like it wants more down. So we do have news today, guys. We have news at, let's take a look at the news. We have news at 10:45 a.m. and 11 a.m. So 9:45 a.m. PMI and 10 a.m. PMI today. So careful. That's going to move the market. Both are red folder events for 9:45 Eastern and 10 a.m. Eastern. Cordy, you caught the short at 597. Nice. And Coop telling us that 1 p.m. Trump speaks. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's right down here. Trump speaks at 1 p.m. Eastern. Glenn, brand new TPT Pro account with 1,400 in profit. Dude, walk away, man. 1,400, that's a blessing. Close it up. Go enjoy the rest of the day. Go have some coffee. Treat yourself to Starbucks. Go enjoy. Touch some grass. Walk out, my friend. Walk out. On a TPT Pro account, that's money. Nicely done. All right, NQ did not touch VWAP at 73, came all the way down to about 490 and now bouncing. Coming to that 9 EMA, 20 EMA. If they can't push up here, then there's another leg down. News in about 7 minutes. We're in a 88-point 15-minute opening range. This is the range from last night. Let me bring in this range from last night. All right, so they broke out of that range. They came back in. Were not able to flush to the bottom, and now breaking out again to the upside. This is the range from last night. These are yesterday's trades. All right, so this is what just played out. News in 5 minutes. NQ, Alexa, stop. All right, news in 4 minutes. NQ still hasn't touched VWAP, right? VWAP's all the way down at 74. Oh. These candles are deceiving. That was a 510. That's a 30-point candle. All right, so we got some volatility again, huh? That 1 minute candle was 509 to 545. That's a 30-point candle right there. Looks choppy for sure. All right, I'm gonna try a long here. Scalping this. And amount. Quick little scalp for 20 points there. All right, I played that channel a couple times, so I'm leaving that alone. Let's see until the break. Looking like shorty behavior there. Looking like shorty behavior, but I took 2 trades in that channel, so I'm walking out. News. Oh, news just hit. PMI didn't really move it, so let's take a look at the news. PMI below expectations, and at 10 a.m. we got another PMI release. Courtney, you ain't on NQ right now? I just took a scalp, so I've taken 2 scalps, right? 10 points on this one, 20 points on this one, so I'm up about 30 points already. If you're lagging, hit the live button on your computer or on your phone to get closer to real time. All right, looks like NQ wants to break out now, so I've already taken 2 in that range. I'm going to let it go, and then we'll see what other setup we get. All right, 15-minute opening range breakout. A clean one today. We just missed that one. Wow. 575, 600, 30-point break. Whoa, these candles are nasty today, guys. Be careful. This is 70. That's another 30-point 1-minute candle. So technically, you can scalp these 1-minute candles. Ooh, looking shorty. Courtney, if you got that much profit, man, sometimes lock it in, brother. Lock it in. Nothing wrong with saying I got my profit for the day. Just watch, enjoy the rest of the day, and come back after your P&L resets. All right, nice little 15-minute opening breakout. This is the 15-minute opening range. This red line and that blue line. Nice clean one. Look at that, NQ. Giving a little gift right there on that 15-minute opening range breakout. Peter Chan telling us the 2-minute delta is going down. So be careful. Yeah, I see a reversal potentially here. We're hitting some put support. For those of you that know that I watch GEX levels. Right here, put support, potential pullback area. But I'm watching for the reaction if they're going to blow right through it. Sunil got 620. Nicely done, brother. Lock it in, baby. I think you're going to get it right there on the next push. All right, they're trying to break above 600 now. We got some levels there that provide some resistance. Let's see what happens. Funny thing is, I already gotten 30 points on profit here, so I don't know if I want to take any more trades. Sometimes I got to do what I preach. When you got your P&L high, walk away. Julian, what's going on, brother? All right. Sunil. And 667 for your next P&L. What are you targeting, that pivot point up there? Where's the pivot point? Pivot point's all the way up to 700, right? 740. Nico, good morning, sir. What's going on, brother? So the blue line is the next pivot point all the way at 730 if they're going to push today. I'm still not convinced on this 600 breakout. We got some strong resistance here, but let's see if they can pull it back. Either way, this is the breakout area. I do think a short targeting 600 eventually. They're going to have to pull it back and test the breakout area. But let's be patient. News in 8 minutes. So far, Haikanashi, strong green on that 5 minute, huh, Peter? So I'm taking a look at the chat account. Haikanashi, 1, 2, 3 green candles in a row. These are 5 minute candles, so no change in direction just yet. Nico, what happened? They closed your account at 58K? I must have gone below the 2K during the night and did not realize. Oh, sorry to hear that, brother. All right, strong push up. Let's bring in the 30 minute now. Let's also see ES. I'm gonna overlay ES right now. Here we go. Oh, ES is already to the moon, huh? Look at this ES. ES is ripping. And Sunil killed it with his trade. Nicely done, brother. All right, ES is also ripping. It's free sky territory here. Or blue sky territory for both. Nico, you got a target of 898 on NQ. Nice. So in other words, back to yesterday's high of day. That's that 900 level that we rejected at big time yesterday during New York session. All right, so this line right here is ES. ES has taken off to the moon. Dividend cake is in ES. All right. I already got my 30 points with 2 trades scalping this area, so I'm watching now. Careful, there's a gamma wall right here. This was where we took the rejection yesterday. 640. Yesterday was 890. Was it 890? 890 was the gamma wall, and we saw that big rejection. So let's see if it's a repeat or they're breaking through that wall. So far, they've broken through it. Coop, done for the day, 120 points. Nicely done. So let me guess, you played the HVL 520 up to the resistance at 640. As easy peasy as that for you. So this level right here, that 0 DTE held 520 and came right up to that resistance wall, and now they're pushing up. Oop, 120 points. Nicely done. Like we talked about, I'm a leg man. Nice, brother. All right, so this was a nice little support area here and right to the wall. Like it. Alexa, stop. We got news in 2 minutes. Ibrahim, 30-minute range in 2 minutes. All right, let's bring in that 30-minute range now. There it is. Top line is the top of the 30-minute range. That's going to close in 2 minutes, and then we'll have a 30-minute range. Let's remove the 15-minute range. Boom. And here's your high, and here's your low, about 200 points. Coop telling us that this area should be a consolidation area. Jesse, you didn't miss much. Just a 200-point move on NASDAQ. All right, so this one's a good one to learn. this level right here was the support area, and came right into that gamma wall for a clean 120 points right there, based on options levels. That was good to see in live. All right, 30-minute opening range rejected right there on the breakout. ES coming down. This line right here is ES overlaid on the NQ chart. ES is coming down. We still don't have a Heikinashi red candle though, so momentum has not shifted yet. If we take a look at the chat account, still green. All right. Zen Trader getting ready for a short after 5-minute close. So I guess what I'm watching, I'm done. I got nice 30 easy points today, but what I'm watching for is, as I'm learning to watch these levels, we have a gamma wall right here. Yesterday, that was the big pullback. We came to 890 on that gamma wall and took a pullback. So today we pushed through it. Let's see what happens. Either way, where it found support around 520, it pushed right to that wall. And now let's see what happens here. Curious to see how strong these levels with options are. In terms of yesterday, we saw a big pullback right at the wall. Sunil, these are options levels brought into a futures chart. Dividend Cake, you're done. 2K on ES and YM. Nicely done. Today, all you guys with your strategies locking in some big P&Ls, man. That's me too. I'm locking it in. How did you get those? Mentor Q. Paid, sir. Yeah, it's a paid subscription. All right. NQ would be 740. 640 is top. NQ would be 740, which would be the pivot point, this blue line that I got here. That is the potential move to this top right here. So pivot point P right around that 740 area. Let's see if they continue to push on up for a potential 30-minute opening range breakout. Your NDX level, got it. Let me see if yep, you got two levels right there around 740 around along with the pivot point. And the little wall that I'm watching right here, I want to see the reactions at this wall right here. So potential break to the upside on that 30-minute opening range right to that pivot point. Like I said, I'm locking in the profit, but I'm watching this. There's the break of that 30-minute range and potentially moving right to that pivot point. ES is pushing as well. ES already pushed above its past high or previous high of day. So NQ should follow right here with a quick little push up. Nico, 110 points. Nicely done, man. So what did you say happened to your Tradeify Cup account? I got to 58K. I don't think I'm at 58 yet. I think I'm at 7K. All right. NQ, struggling here. I decided not to trade the Asian. I was tired. Yeah, I don't blame you, man. Let's take a look at my stats on Tradeify for the cup. I think I'm still alive. Oh, I'm number. Well, I still got ways to go on Tradeify Cup. All right, NQ taking a pullback, ES taking a pullback, but it did give Peter. You probably took that little breakout right there, right? You got a nice 5-10 points there, Peter. All right, so the gamma wall that I've been watching, that's why I didn't want to take a trade because I'm technically watching this. Well, still not, we're still above it. Curious to see if we're going to take a pullback in this area. Peter Chan, nice. All right, Tradeify Cup. I still got ways to go. I think I'm like 389 on the Tradeify Cup. Let's take a look at this. I am still alive. All right. So on my team, on Team Bugatti, I'm number 6, and I've got 7 grand in profit since Sunday on the team. But I still got a ways to go on the leaderboard. Let's take a look at the leaderboard. What's the top one right now? Wait, it can't be. Oh, $52,000 in profit for the number 1 trader. Wow. So the top 200, I got to qualify. To qualify to the next round, top 200 is the goal. Not even going to push it. Let's see where top 200 is at. So top 200, here we go. So 200 is at 10K in profit. So, all right. So I got another 7K to pull off by the end of the week and see if I can get myself in the top 200 to qualify for the next round. But slowly but surely. Where's Team Bugatti? So currently still at 7,000 on the Tradeify Cup. I got some trading to do maybe today. All right, let's go back. Nico, I thought the account would have closed as soon as I breached the DD. Seems weird to let me carry on. That's weird. Maybe send them an email. I thought the account would breach as well. Or maybe you traded more than 2 contracts before. See, the thing is, if you got to 5K before the market closed and you're like, hey, I have 5,000, now I can trade 5 contracts, they're going to breach you. You have to wait until your 5K closes at the end of the day. The new session, you can trade 5. Okay, you never traded 5. Got it. So, for instance, now that I'm above 5K, I can trade up to 5 minis. I'm not going to do that. Maybe towards the end, if I really need to get some P&L, I'll start pushing it. But today, I'll step it up. Funny thing is, I've only traded gold on the Tradeify account. I have not traded NQ. That whole profit, let's take a look at my Tradeify account. Hold on. How do I do that? Tradeify. I've been scalping the hell out of Goldilocks, but not NQ. All right, so here's my Tradeify Cup account. Let's see. How do I show this? I haven't traded NQ, but gold, I took some scalps yesterday for sure. I haven't traded it yet today. Where were my gold trades? Oh, when Tradeify doesn't keep trades after you. Oh no, here they are. Here. Scalped the hell out of gold yesterday. You can see these little. That was at the Open, the Globex Open right here. That's where I traded last night. Another one here, but NQ, I haven't taken any trades on NQ with the Cup account, so I'll push today. But yeah, this is my Tradeify Cup account. Currently up $1,700 on that one for the day. All right, Corey the Scalper down today, but up 4. Cooper, high target, pulled back 20 points, which we touched. Let's see. Corey the Scalper, my funded futures up 300 from being down. Hey man, that's a win. If you were down 470 and up 300, you made 770, brother. That's good. All right, NQ looks like it came to the top of that 30-minute opening range and taking a pullback. Now we're watching for the next 30-minute opening range, which closes at 10:30. Or the next 30-minute candle, rather. Zen Trader, so interesting on these gamma walls. We're still there. It pushed right up there and then found a little bit of resistance once it got to that wall. Now it is building, looks like it is building support there, so we may have a next leg up right to that pivot point. Nico, apparently you went down $47 below. Oh, that blows. 47 bucks below the 2K limit. Oh, that's tough. Well, you can reset. I haven't reset my account yet, but you can reset. And YOLO, baby. See if you can get back, get yourself back in. You're going to have to come in and trade 2 contracts on every single trade, but could be a chance. No, I don't think it's too late. You just have to trade aggressively until you get to 5K. I don't think it's too late to get to the top 200 at least. Because remember, all you want to do is get to the top 200 to qualify for the next round. The next round, everybody resets. I mean, it's for fun, right? I would reset it if you got the time and patience and just try to get to top 200 with 2 cons. Dividend cake, I think you don't have to be in the top 200 for next week. No, you do. As far as how I understood the rules is the goal for round 1 is to get to the top 200. If you make top 200, then you make it to the second round. Then after the second round, it's the bottom 30% that gets disqualified, right? So let's take a look. Oh, actually, you may be right. Who was it? Dividend cake. So let's take a look at the rules. So week 1, build your account, no eliminations, reset 3 times. That's week 1. Week 2, bottom 30% of traders knocked out every day. Top 200 traders advance. Okay, so yeah, so for week 2, you got to get to the top 200. And they start eliminating the 30%, the bottom, but still, it's only the top 200 after next week that advance to the live. We just looked at the number 200 position right now, had what, $10,000 in profit? So I think there's still a chance. I got to start pushing now 2 or 3 contracts to get there. Anybody in rank 201 to 400 gets $300. Oh, I didn't know this. So even if you get disqualified, but you get to rank 201 to 400, you get $300. Nico, I would still try it. I didn't know about this right here. I missed this right here. Even if you rank between 200 and 400, and I don't know, I think there's like 5,000 traders right now. So let's say it's over today and I got disqualified. I think my rank is 390 something, right? Hold on. Oh, it doesn't tell you. Hold on. Oh, so even if it closed today, I'm ranked 390. I would still get $300. Oh, now I didn't know that part. Now I just want to make sure I'm either top 200 or top 400. You still get money for that. That's a straight to funded account right there. I did not know that. Dividend Cake, you're resetting your account as I blew it yesterday. If you're doing it in a Tradeify cup, I would definitely reset it, because even if you get into the top 400, you still get 300 bucks. That's not, I didn't know that rule. But anyways, I got ways to go. I'm gonna trade it a little later today. Hop on gold and see if I can move my 7K in profit up. So I've been moving up, watching people blow their accounts. I used to be like rank 500 or 600, and then this morning I moved all the way up to like 390. So I guess a lot of people blew their accounts last night. So that's the other strategy, is just push up, let people blow themselves up, and you slowly move up in the rank as well. Anyways, back. Nico, if you get in the top 200, you get to keep all the money you made. Oh, no way! I didn't know that, dude. I gotta read these. I gotta read these rules. Then there's no reason you shouldn't reset. Then, Nico. Top 200 is not too far. It's only 10K right now. Mr. Ibrahim, yeah, like save your profits and you'll keep going up eventually. Yep. I'm only doing little small trades, slowly pushing, and watching people blow up. Like I said, just last night I went up, I think 100 spots with people blowing up. But now that I know the rules, if really your only goal is to get up to top 200, in other words, top 10 or top 100 is bragging rights. But if all you're going is just strategy, just get to the top 200. Sunil, just go slow, let half of them blow up or more, and now the competition is better odds in your favor. That's true. I think as we get closer to the week, when is November 14th? Oh, and it's up until November 14th, so it's 2 weeks. It's 2 weeks. It's only day 3, guys. If you blew an account, there's no reason. I would definitely reset. Only day 3, and this is going till November 14th. Round 1 is going all the way till November 14th. Yeah. Knockouts. November through. Okay, so week 1. So this started. Okay, so maybe it's this Sunday that it's over. I got to email Tradeify. I'm assuming week 1 is over November 7th because it opened on Sunday, right? This thing opened on Sunday. And then week 2 is where only the top 200 make it. All right. NQ consolidating here. Building some support around this gamma wall here. Sunni 3414. It's a Tradeify competition, but it's currently on right now. Coop, you closed 20 minutes ago. Nicely done. Sunil, poker face guy, underdog wins. I think so. I've seen some of the top 10. The top 10 the first day are no longer there. The ones that went crazy the first 2 days and tried to get to the top 10, those names vanished. Because I am looking at who are the top 10, top 20. Those names go in and out because they're playing high leverage. They're blowing themselves up. But if you look at it as just trying to get the top 200 and qualify, you got a better chance of making it to the second round. All right, guys, looks like we came into this little consolidation area. And it's just chopping in that. We're about to close the next 30-minute candle in 5 minutes. That's the 10 a.m. to 10:30 candle. That's this range right here. It's a 100-point range for that candle. And looking like a bull flag right there, right? Nico, they said the account should have closed immediately. Hey, then maybe I would say see if they can give you your account back. Because last night they did make some mistakes. They said that some traders were complaining that they got their accounts breached. And apparently they did the logic again and said that they made a mistake. So they restored some accounts last night. Yeah, ask for your account back. I would ask for your account back for sure. All right, little bull flag there playing out nicely. And there goes the next 30. Oh, well, no, it's not. It hasn't closed yet. Nico, yes, Tradeify said that there was a glitch and they restored some accounts yesterday, but it was for people who traded more than 2 contracts. They made a mistake. They breached a lot of accounts and then they restored them. So I don't know. Maybe play the technical angle. NQ with another pullback. So here's the post that I was looking for on last night. Tradeify posted this last night. We are double checking tonight's Grand Comp audit to ensure that each disqualification is correct. We'll keep everyone posted on rules because a lot of people complain that they got disqualified without trading 2 contracts. So I know that a lot of accounts got reinstated that were potentially breached. Coop Gamma building way up the road, 850 area. All right. I'll send you a link right now. There you go, Nico. All right, guys. I think I'm locking in the green. Only 30 points today, but I'll take it. I'll take it. Julian, the Apex ad is showing 80% off. Good catch. I think it's what, 70% off now? Let's fix that right now in real time. There you go. Suni, you'll have a great one. Nico, you're still in a trade. You're going for the moon on this one today, huh? Well, it's looking pretty bullish, so I don't blame you. Suni is 70% with $45 for lifetime PA. Yep. I think it adds up to the same thing. So, in other words, you pay more for the eval now with Apex, but you only pay $45 for the lifetime PA. So, you're paying more. I mean, if you blow the accounts, you're paying more. But if you get to a PA, it kind of adds up to the same thing if it's 90% off with $85 activation fee. Suni, since you're on the stream, is it too late to join the competition and what's the rule? I think so. Go to the Tradeify website. I think you can't, I don't think you can join the Tradeify Cup now. Sorry. The deadline to join was last Saturday. But there'll be more, and I'll announce them on the stream that way. Maybe next time we can create a team here and all of us compete on the same team. So we'll wait for the next one. Sunil, they are tricking the mindset and the hurry to pass. Cause once the deal's over, lifetime is full price. Yep. Ibrahim, yeah, I saw some streamers having a team. Yeah, next time we'll organize it and let you guys know, and we'll hop on as a team. How about that? Dividend, you're on Team Lumi. Nice. But she's an ICT trader with guesswork. Nico, good luck, brother. Good luck. Hopefully you get that account reinstated. But like I said, even if you blew the account, it's only day 2. You got it till Sunday. You can go YOLO. You just got to trade heavy. You just got to trade 2 contracts until you get to 5K. She got 32K, but then blew it. Yeah, because you got to trade hard. I don't know why everybody's trying to push it. All you got to do is get to the top 200. But I get it. It's the pressure to perform. Sunil, they will consolidate here and get lots of shorts and go up later. I agree. I think this is bullish as hell. Nico, yeah, but 32K, you're in the final for sure. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. And to blow, but 32K. See, if it was a static P&L, that would be sweet. A static drawdown. The way they should do it is, it should be a static 2K drawdown. In other words, as you go up, your drawdown is still 48,000. So if you make, let's say, 10K, you have 12K in drawdown. That's the way they should do these cups, because that is more like a live account, right? With a live account, as you build your P&L, you can play more aggressively knowing that you have some profit to play with. But hey, bear trap setting up. They are sharks. They want the reset fees. I agree. There's got to be money involved. You think 20K entered? Wow, that's a lot. All right, guys, I'm locking it in for the day. Walking out with some green. And NQ looks like consolidating for another move up. A little bull flag there after bull flag. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Good luck. I'll see you guys tomorrow or tonight, depending on what you trade. I'll be on tonight for the Asia session. If not, I will see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you all tuning in. Hit that like, smash that subscribe. Suni, appreciate you. Have a good night. Nico, have a good one, brother. Sunil, who else is here? Mr. Ibrahim, have a good one. Peter Chan, I'm sure you're already out. Julian, you're probably already out. Oh, you're still here. Nice. Have a good one, guys. And if you're in the green, man, lock it in. Don't go crazy. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later tonight or tomorrow. Appreciate you all. Dividend Cake, have a good one, brother.